Hello, let me show you how to create a bulk action. I will set Austria folder with filter for EasyGate devices. And specific firmware version. And with the signal strength which is very strong or good. Now click apply. I will select a couple of devices. Here you can see the number of selected devices. To deselect these devices or select all devices on this page, use this checkbox. To select all devices that match filter settings, click here. And clear selections like here. Now I will select all the devices on this page and start setting the bulk action. There is a number of the selected devices. Next, it is needed to set specific steps and their order. When applying a template, it is recommended to restart device afterwards, which is why there is an info box to inform about it. When the restart step is used, the warning will disappear. Other warning is about offline devices that we will try to reach in 24 hours. The order of the steps can be changed. And also remove the step. Next, there is a summary with the info about each step. Next, there is a summary with number of devices and all of the selected steps. Now click Start the action. After start bulk, in progress icon will appear, which will redirect the reset bulk actions log section. There can be only one active bulk per campaign. Now I will try to create second one. As you can see, it ended in an error. Now back to bulk actions log. The bulk action can be in any moment cancelled, but there is no guarantee that the command was not already sent to device. In this table, there is number of devices that were selected for the bulk action, number of successful actions, and number of failed ones, and the resulted state of the bulk action. In bulk action detail is list of each action per device and its state. And also here is the option to cancel the bulk. The state has changed to cancelling. And now the bulk was cancelled. Also, in this list, it is possible to apply filters. Or search through them. That's it for the Elevator Center Bulk Management introduction. Thank you.